Hey y'all. So today we're doing something a little bit different. As you can see, we're in the kitchen. I was invited to do a collaboration with Tiffany from Lynn, Mascara, and Tony at Kettle Kitchen. We all got together and we're each gonna make a little dish, something that we would take to a tailgate party. The name of the collaboration is going to be called Tailgate Time. There's a number of other collaborators, and I'll have their information down in the description. There's also going to be a giveaway on Tony's live stream on the 4th of February. To be eligible for the giveaway, you got to watch the videos from all the collaborators, or as many as you want. The more you watch, the more you're eligible for the giveaways. And just leave a comment showing that you watched the video. The live stream for the giveaways will be held on the 4th of February on Tony's live stream at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now that we've got all the housekeeping done, let me show you what I'm gonna make. So I figured that I would make what I call Texas Twinkies. You know, as a Carolina Panthers fan, unfortunately, we never win. So we gotta have all the fun at the tailgate party. So the food has gotta be good. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna open up these peppers here, and we're gonna stuff them with sausage and cream cheese and wrap them in bacon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a third of this Kennedy sausage out, and then we're gonna go ahead and fry it up. We got the sausage, we're just going to go ahead and put it in the frying pan. I'm just going to chunk this up, just like hamburger meat, and then we'll get to cooking. I found this recipe about 2 years ago, and ever since then, you know, we've been loving it here at the house. So as you can see, this meat's cooked pretty good. What we're going to do is we're going to put this inside the cream cheese and stuff it into peppers. You can use sausage, you can use hamburger meat. I even saw one guy use the brisket trimmings. So let me get this out of the pan and we'll be right back. So I got the oven preheated at 350. So while waiting on the oven to heat and the sausage to cool down, we're gonna go ahead and slice this pepper here. Now some people like to cut the end of the pepper completely off. I don't like to do that because sometimes the cream cheese will come out, and then I want all the cream cheese I can get. So I had a call audible. What I normally do is not working with these peppers. So I went ahead and cut a whole window out of this pepper, and now we're going to scrape the seeds out. Remember, these peppers is hot. Don't touch your eyes when you mess with these peppers. Ask me how I know. got everything cutting up, and what I did is we went ahead and rinsed these out. The more of the inside you get out, the less hot it'll be. So if you like it hot, leave more of the seeds in. If you like it mild like I do, take as much out as you can. What we're gonna do now is the section that we cut out, we're gonna go ahead and chop that up, and we're gonna add that up to the cream cheese. We're gonna add that into the cream cheese as well. So I got the sausage in here. I'm gonna take half a block of cream cheese, put it in here along with the peppers, and we're gonna mix it up. Now we just start mixing it up. You could use your hands, so I'm not really into all that. So I'm just gonna use this spoon. I'm gonna get this all incorporated and we'll get right back. So I got everything mixed up. Now all we gotta do is stuff the peppers and wrap them in bacon. So I think this was pretty much stuff. Move on to the next one. we got everything stuffed, now it's time to wrap them in bacon. Put these in the oven. So I'll go ahead and take these and put them in the oven. We got it at 350. And these take about 20, 30 minutes. We're just going to leave it in the oven until the bacon is done cooking. And depending on your oven, will depend on how long it takes. So that took a little bit longer than I thought it was. It took about an hour instead of like 45 minutes. But they smell good. So there they are. The bacon's all crispy. Cheese is melted. Leaking out the sides. I'm ready to try one. But unfortunately, I gotta wait for it to cool down. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Alright, so they cooled down. I've been smelling these things for the last 2 hours. I wanted to wait till Mom got home. We're about to have dinner. But I figured I'd try a little bite and let y'all know how they are. I know how they are because I've had it before, but let's have a little bite for you guys. It's a little bit messy. Those are delicious. With that sausage, it adds a little bit more sauciness. I really recommend y'all guys try these at home. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that recipe. I had a great time cooking it. I want to thank Tony and Tiffany for inviting me to do this collaboration. And like I said, I'll have all the other collaborators down in the description. I really encourage y'all to go watch, check out all the videos, and remember, February 4th, Tony's going to have a giveaway on his live stream at 2 p.m. Pacific time. And all you got to do to be entered is watch the videos and leave a comment. So, if you enjoyed the video, hit like, hit subscribe, and as always, we'll see you next time. Appreciate it.